Hey there, future gardeners! Welcome to the channel. Before we dive into the magic of gardening, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. If you're new to gardening or just looking for some fun ideas to grow your garden to the next level, you're in the right place. Remember, you are just playing in the dirt. I promise you'll walk away inspired and ready to dig in. Let me know in the comments what your dream garden looks like. I'd love to hear from you. Let's grow together. Okay, let's start by talking about why gardening is one of the coolest hobbies you can have. Did you know that gardening not only gives us food, but it can also make you feel happier and less stressed? That's right. When you're out in nature, taking care of plants, it's like giving your mind a nice, relaxing break. The best part? You don't need to be a gardening expert to start. Just a little bit of soil, some seeds, and a sprinkle of love. Gardening is like a living science project. You get to watch your seeds grow into full-grown plants. Whether you're planting vegetables, flowers, or even herbs, you're helping nature thrive right in your backyard. How awesome is that? So, what do you think about starting your own garden? Drop a comment below and tell me which plants you're excited to grow. Now, let's talk about the essentials you need to start your garden. Don't worry, this is way easier than it sounds. You can start small, and you'll see results fast. The first thing you need is a good spot. It can be a small space on your balcony, your backyard, or even a few containers on your windowsill. Most plants love sunshine, so find a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. If you're new to gardening, I recommend starting with easy-to-grow plants like marigolds, sunflowers, tomatoes, or basil. These plants are not only fun, but forgiving, meaning they won't get upset if you make a mistake or two. Healthy soil is key to healthy plants. You want your soil to be rich and loose, so the roots have room to grow. If your soil's a little tight or dry, don't worry. Just add some compost or organic matter and you'll be good to go. Now for the fun part, planting. Follow the instructions on your seed packet. Some plants like to be deep in the soil, while others prefer just a light cover. It's like tucking them in for bed. What seeds are you thinking of planting in your garden? Comment below. I'd love to hear what you're excited about growing. I've got some amazing gardening hacks that will make your experience even more fun. You don't have to be a pro to do these, and trust me, they'll make your garden thrive. Want to keep track of what you've planted? Try making your own plant markers from old popsicle sticks or rocks. It's super easy and adds a fun, personal touch to your garden. Watering can be tricky. Too much or too little? Here's a tip. Use an old milk jug with small holes poked in the top. You'll create your very own homemade watering can. It's perfect for gentle watering. Mulch is like a blanket for your plants. It keeps the soil moist, prevents weeds, and keeps your plants happy and healthy. You can use things like leaves, straw, or even newspaper. Water your plants early in the morning or late in the evening to avoid evaporation during hot weather. Do you have any gardening hacks of your own? Share them in the comments below. I love learning new tricks from fellow gardeners. So there you have it. Gardening is fun, relaxing, and rewarding. Whether you're growing food, flowers, or just learning about nature, there's so much to enjoy. Remember, the best part is watching your garden grow, so don't rush it. Take it one step at a time and have fun with it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more gardening tips and fun ideas. Let's make 2025 the year of beautiful gardens everywhere. Until next time, happy gardening! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, check out our previous videos, and leave a like and comment. Thank you for watching.